YouTube, it's Louis here. I hope you're all well. Today we'll be looking at Quant on the daily time frame, and we've literally come into the level that I was worried about coming into. Now, if you remember not yesterday, but the day before was Quant update, I was saying the bigger the dip, the bigger the rip, and I said if technically Quant does come down to $85, sorry, we'd have a bigger pump afterwards. And we've literally exactly come down to $85 right now. Now, we have filled in that wick, we have met this descending triangle's technical target, but I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't think it's done yet, because obviously Bitcoin's still free falling, and obviously descending triangle after descending triangle is so negative, so the alts are looking absolutely crap. But if Bitcoin goes up, we know that the rest will. Now, I'm looking at this level of $70 because if I measure from the lowest point on this quant chart, please let me know in the comment section down below if I'm using the right quant chart. I think I am, but if there's a chart with more data, then please let me know. So obviously you've now come down below the 050. That would basically mean that we're coming down to the 0618. I've marked out this 85 level because it was a previous swing high and we need to flip it into a swing low. However, if you lose that, you come to the swing low down here, support, and that's sitting on the 0618. So for continuation of this bull market, we must stay above $70. That is basically what the quant chart is telling me. Now, we had this massive wick, and I don't like massive wicks, but look, we just measured from that massive wick, so we have to here. So if I measure from the swing low to the pump up, swing high over here, you can see that we have now lost the 1, which was our technical target out of the descending triangle. You've obviously lost that, creating that reversal wave, and you're heading now to these 1 targets. You met the first, we're on our way to the 1414 at 82 dollars, and then obviously your 1618 technical target at $70. Now, of course, the 1618 and the 0618 is lining up here, so this should be the bottom basically, but it all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin, by the time Quant gets here, if it's bottomed out, if not, then we do have to look at these 2 targets. Now, of course, if you lose the 618, you will be coming to the 786, and the same if you lose the 1618, you come to the 2 targets, and you can see the lower end of the 2 targets are lining up with the 786. Of course, now if you do lose the 786, that's basically a bear market. You're coming to the 1 and heading much lower for Quant. But for the moment, what we need to see is this 618 hold, and the worst case scenario for us is for it to come to the 786, get back above the 618, and then continue, as in, like, this is the worst bullish case basically, like, for us to continue back up. Like, this is the worst case. If we want to continue, this must happen basically. Lose the 618, get above the 786, confirm its support, and we won't head lower. Of course you can if you get rejected here and then you put a lower low, or even if you just get a little bounce and then lose that low, you're coming down to here. But for the moment, these are my targets. Of course, I want these to hold. They should hold because it's the 0618. It's the most retraceable level for continuation, just like that. But of course, just because it's what it should do doesn't mean it has to do it. And if we go into a bear market now, then of course we will be losing that, and then this as well. So for the moment, I am focused on $70, although we have come to this swing high, and the swing high should flip into a swing low, but I'm not too confident that Bitcoin has found its bottom just yet. If it has, then potentially this could be our bottom, but I think because you lost the 050, it would make sense to come to this 0618 at $70, as well as the 1618, because once you lost that low there, that is your technical target for Quant. That's pretty much it for today, guys. So yeah, that's it for Quant. I'm looking at $70 next. I know it's horrible because some people we know in the following the channel bought in at $400. Like, look, we need to realize we're all forced holders now, especially if you bought the top. I think everyone's past the point where they want to sell at these extremely low prices because they're scared now that's going to flip back on them. And most of the time when you do press the sell button, it's the time for a reversal. But listen, guys, once we do meet our targets, we're going to get another pullback. It's with that pullback, like, just like you see here, you pull back and you should have come to the 618 over here and held that for continuation, just like you should come here for continuation to the upside. But of course, if you lose that 618, you know what happens next. So technically, if that were to happen, look, we would be looking at a $3 1618 technical target, but we can't say that that's going to happen yet. that is complete hopium. Like, don't even get stressed about that at the moment, guys, to be honest, because what should happen is that it should hold these two levels, and there's two reasons why. Because of the 618 measuring from this to here, you have an impulse, you're correcting to the 618 for continuation upwards, new higher highs. But also out of this over here, you've measured from swing low to swing high, you create that reversal wave, and your target is the 1618 at $70. So two reasons why 70 should hold. Not only that, it's also a swing low. So that's it. I'll catch you guys in the next one, and as always, peace.